How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Rocket League save failure error on computer. Now, when this happens, it is because we have a corrupted save file or a corrupted game files from Rocket League. So fixing this is extremely simple. First things first, head over to your library and then you will be able to find Rocket League. In my case, I'm going to be using this game as an example, but it's going to be the same process regardless. Click on the three dots below the game itself. Click on manage, and then the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that the application is updated to the latest version. Try to open up the application once more and see if that works, because sometimes you just might have mismatched versions of your save file and the game file itself. From there, click on the verify game files right here, and then it will simply remove all of the corrupted game files installed within your device, fixing the problem entirely. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.